Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday, and we are still on cricket as 2007 champions India and first-time finalists South Africa are set to face off in the final of the World T20 Championship on Saturday morning at the Kensington Oval in Barbados.
Unbeaten teams will collide at the Kensington Oval in Barbados on Saturday morning, but only one will keep that label at the end of what is expected to be a closely contested final. It took South Africa 8 attempts to get to an ICC World Cup final. With their 9-wicket victory against Afghanistan on Wednesday night, their first last for success in 3 attempts at the T20 World Cup. Aidan Markram, who is yet to lose a World Cup game as South Africa's captain, believes his players are better off for their previous disappointments.
I think there's been close moments in games that it would have probably affected the result, and we managed to win those moments. So to have done them 2, 3, maybe 4 times throughout the competition so far is sort of given the team that belief that you can win from any position, which I think is quite important for a team to have that. And guys, we've been together now for quite a few years as a squad, as a white ball squad, and guys finally really understanding their roles within the team, and I think that's starting to help.
India, in their third trip to the T20 World Cup final, will go into the contest as slight favourites. However, head coach Rahul Dravid is urging his players to approach the game as they have done all tournament.
For us, really, I think now getting into this final, it's just about staying relaxed, about trusting the good cricket that we've played, about recognizing, I think, that we found ourselves in pressure situations right through this tournament, but we've always found players and people to come up and deliver the goods. Also, just recognizing that we've got a really good balance in the team. We've got the players, and just for us to, like I answered earlier, maybe just come there really well prepared, do all the things that we can do, control all the controllables, do everything that we need to do, and then just go out and play hopefully a great game of cricket.
The final bowls off at 9:30 a.m. Jamaica time. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.